Again. Hello, how are y'all? Glad y'all came back to watch me. This is a wheelbarrow I was given by my grandma. It needs some work done to it, so I was going to let y'all go through that journey with me. It takes a lot to tear up a wheelbarrow. Wheels are usually the first thing to go, and then I've noticed these coming undone. But on these particular wheels, what I'm going to do is probably look at Harbor Freight for the replacement. They have used a rivet as a pin uh, to get this tire to stay. Excuse my son, he's next playing. Bubba, you okay? Yeah. Well, we got Cash in the video now. He was throwing a fit. I think he was wanting in. So, going back to what I'm doing, I'm taking this out, and I don't want to drop it on our in our backyard and get a flat with the new wheels that come, or one of the kids stepped on it. But I will replace this with a real pin, a good one. Yeah, and this should slide on out like so. So I have one to take with me to Harbor Freight. This side has the exact same problem. Uh, they used a rivet. That's probably my grandma or grandpa that used it. Honestly, since this was hers. But instead of getting rid of it, I want to restore it. She was actually mentioning something about this having me haul it to the dump. But why do that when you can get a good tool out of it? Plus, it reduces, a carbon footprint. This isn't going in the dump. There doesn't have to be a new one made. Uh, a new one made, and putting more of a carbon footprint on Earth. But here's our two wheels. Voila! So I'm going to go get new wheels, and we'll put them back on. And another thing I'm going to do though is I'm actually going to reinforce this a little bit with some 2x4 to make it stronger since it is older. And I'll walk y'all through that. See y'all shortly. Well, okay. Yeah, here. Perfect. All right, ready? Yep. All right, so I got the wheelbarrow wheel and tire from Harbor Freight. I actually already went back there twice. The first wheel and tire did not fit. It was about a half inch or what was it, 5/8, I think. Wouldn't fit. I believe this is going to be a 3/4, and I think it's comes like that where I don't have to use any of the fittings, but we'll find out and see. All right, here we go. And I got my own Carter rings. Bubba. All right, yeah. Okay, let's see. This side does have. Okay, I might go ahead and utilize possibly this. Pull this out. It has a spacer, and I am going to utilize that spacer. And put it on first. And then my washer. Voila. All right, we got one side about to be in. Got my cotter pin going to put in here. All right. Yeah. And I have a couple washers. I think I left them inside our garage. I'm going to run and grab those real quick. So I actually, those washers I forgot about, they were in there. I'm actually going to put a washer, because I had 3 in there and I just forgot about them. And remembered when I was putting these remaining ones. So I'm going to pull this off and put one of those washers back on there. Goodness gracious. Oh, I didn't think I have to ruin this thing. Yeah, there we go. Even though it's not like it's much money, but you got to ruin anything. Use it. If you're like me, I at least like to get 3 uses out of something. All right. All right. Let's see here. Yeah. There we go. That's going to be enough. And that's enough. I mean, these Carters, you got to have a whole lot just in there to hold things. And voila. And that washer is going to prevent any wear and tear on that Carter pin. There is some movement in here. Not, I could put probably a spacer. Let's see. Do I want to? Yeah, I guess so. That's little Cash. She's going to help us. So, yeah, I'm going to put one in there, Bubba. We're going to space it a little bit and use that. Why not? Huh? We're going to make sure this tire doesn't have much play. Okay, that one don't fit. Uh-oh. You hit Daddy's head. Let's see, does this one fit? No. That one fit? No. No. Looks like these are our only 2. And that's perfect, actually. Yay! All right. Perfect, perfect. I don't know if that bearing will fit, Bubba. Nope, it won't. No point using it. All right. Now, where'd that washer go, Bub? There it is. Put that there. And where'd our pin go? Thank you, pin. All right. And this side is really done this time. And I hope I get to reuse my cotter pin. Because I'm a stickler on getting to use stuff a 4th time. Come on, baby. There you go. There you go. Yeah. No, Bubba. Give it to Dad. Thank you. All right. Got one side done. Moving to the next. All right. Let's see. All right, little Cash wanted y'all to see his wheelbarrow. There's his. Just like Daddy's. All right, let's finish this other wheel. All right, here we go. Take that paper off the back. Already put a washer back here to space it out. Going to add a couple spacers here that just so happen. We're just going to use one on this side. All right. A washer, and we're about to be in business with this thing. All right. Get the pliers. All right, let's see how she does.
Let's take her for a test drive.
Let's take her for a test drive.
Bubba, you want to do a test drive?
All right. Good deal.
You're working good. Working great.
And the next thing we'll do is I got some 2x4s to build on this. And I'll do that in a separate video. But if you enjoyed restoring the wheels on this wheelbarrow, be sure to like, share, and
Subscribe
to my page. Bye.